job today is replacing the auxiliary water pump on VW Passat. The car went into limp mode on a long journey last week, and turns out that it looks like the auxiliary water pump is throwing an electrical problem, which has blown the fuse, which then took out the turbo and EGR valve, so the car went into limp mode. And normally when I've had limp mode in the past, stopping the car and restarting it has cleared it. In this instance it hasn't. We've managed to disconnect the old water pump, take the electrical connector off it, which has cleared the limp mode, but I've still got the engine light on. So what we need to do is to get the old pump out, and it has these Torx T10 screws on it that we need to remove. So the first one came out fairly easily. The problem you've got, this is the water pump just here, and as you can see the top two are a lot more difficult to access. There's this boost pipe which gives a really tight access there. You can't really get the Torx bit on it because the length is more than the gap between them, and a lot of the videos I've seen are suggesting you need to remove this boost pipe, and the access to that is right up there in the engine bay, so it's quite difficult to do. So what I was looking at doing was actually using a pair of mole grips on the screw and turning those. It's a very slow, gradual job, but seems to be working. So that should allow me to get both those screws off and remove the water pump and be able to get the new one on without having to remove this boost hose, which should be make it a much easier job. So going to give it a go now and see if we can finish the remaining two screws. So the second one is almost off, and it's then the third one which is the most difficult one to access. Okay, it was slow and steady progress, but the water pump is now free. You can just see up there that last screw is still in the bracket, but the water pump is free. We've now got access to the two clamps, so we can get a new water pump on and everything should be good. I'm hoping that I'll be able to do the same process with the mole grips in reverse for refitting the top screw, and yeah, that should have been a lot easier than having to go through removing all these boost hoses, which would require quite a lot of pipe removal. So back to getting it all back together.